All right, folks, let us dive right in. If you are getting ready to head out to Paris or Tokyo, you probably feel a mix of excitement and a little nerves. That is totally normal. I have been there. Yeah, you are thinking about the Eiffel Tower croissants and neon lights in Shibuya, and then it hits you. How do I actually talk to people? That is where we come in. This one is for all my friends watching on Brighton English BD YouTube channel. We keep it real, we keep it useful, and we keep it super American. So buckle up because we are going to break down the essential English phrases you need for a smooth trip to either Paris or Tokyo. No fluff, just the good stuff you can actually use. First things first, why English? Look, I get it. You are going to France or Japan. Should you learn French or Japanese? Heck yes, if you have time. But here is the deal. English is the go-to language for tourists in both cities. Hotel staff, airport workers, and a lot of younger people in shops speak at least some English. In Paris, you will find that people in tourist spots expect it. In Tokyo, the signs are in English, and most service workers know key phrases. So when your French or Japanese runs out English, is your safety net. And when you speak it with confidence, people open up. That is the goal. Now, before we get to the phrases, let me set the scene. Imagine you are an American stepping off the plane. You are tired, you are hungry, and you need to get to your hotel. You do not want to freeze up. You want to sound cool and polite, but also get what you need. That is why we are focusing on phrases that work in the real world. We are skipping textbook talk. We are doing the kind of English you would use in New York or Los Angeles. Straight up, casual, and clear. Let us start with the airport. This is ground zero. You just landed in Charles de Gaulle or Haneda. You are looking for your bags or a taxi? Here's how you handle it. When you cannot find your gate, you walk up to the info desk and say, "Hi, I am a bit lost. Can you point me to gate B12? Short and sweet. Americans do not do long-winded stuff. If you need help with baggage, say my bag did not show up, who do I talk to? That gets you to the right person fast. Customs and immigration can feel intense. The officer might ask, what is the purpose of your visit? Just say I am here for vacation or I am here for tourism. Nice and easy. If they ask how long are you staying, say I am here for 10 days. Keep your answer simple. No need to over-explain. Next up, taxis and trains. This is where a lot of folks get tripped up. In Paris, you might take the RER train to the city. In Tokyo, you are probably jumping on the Narita Express. You need to buy a ticket. Walk up to the counter and say, one ticket to downtown, please, or how much to get to Shinjuku. If you are taking a cab, just tell the driver the name of your hotel. Say, hi, can you take me to Hotel Grand Paris? In Tokyo, names can be tricky, so have it written down too. But start with the phrase. Most drivers will nod and go. If you are using ride apps, the English is the same as back in the States. You open the app and the driver will ask, are you Sarah? You say, yes, that is me. Thanks for coming. Super simple. All right, you made it to the hotel. Check-in time. This is your home base, so you want to feel good here. Walk to the front desk and say, hi, I have a reservation under Khan. Use your last name. If they cannot find it, say I booked online. Can you double check? You get to your room and maybe the Wi-Fi is not working. Call down and say, hey, the Wi-Fi in room 405 is not working. Can someone help me out? Americans are direct, but we add a little please or can you to keep it friendly. You need extra towels. Say, could I get 2 more towels sent up? No big words needed. If you're checking out, say I am checking out today, can I leave my bags here for a few hours? Most hotels in Paris and Tokyo will do that for free. You just have to ask food. Oh man, this is the best part. Paris means cafes and pastries. Tokyo means ramen, sushi, and crazy good convenience store snacks. But ordering can be scary. Here is how to win. Walk into a cafe in Paris. The waiter comes over. You say, hi, can I see a menu? Once you are ready, say I will have the croissant and a coffee, please. If you want it to go, say, can I get that to go? In Tokyo, it is the same vibe. At a ramen shop, you might buy a ticket from a machine. If you are confused, just say, excuse me, I am not sure how to order. Can you help me? People appreciate it when you are honest. Dietary stuff matters too. Say, I am allergic to peanuts. Does this have peanuts? Or I do not eat pork. What do you recommend? In both cities, chefs are used to tourists asking this. If the food is amazing, tell them, say this is delicious. Thank you so much. That kind of thing goes a long way. Americans love to hype up good food and it makes the staff smile. Now shopping, whether you are hitting the Champs-Élysées or Takeshita Street, you need a few key lines. You see a jacket you like. Ask, how much is this? If you want a different size, say, do you have this in a medium? Trying it on. Ask, can I try this on? Paying is easy. Say, do you take credit cards? Or I will pay with cash. If you are at a market in Tokyo and want a bargain, just know that it is not really a thing in most stores. But you can still ask, is this the best price? The answer will probably be yes, but it never hurts to try. Getting around the city. You will walk a lot. You will also get lost. That is part of the fun. But when you need help, say, excuse me, do you know where the Louvre is? Or how do I get to Shibuya Crossing? Most people will pull out their phone and show you. If they do not speak English, they will still try. Pointing and smiling works too. When you are on the metro in Paris or the subway in Tokyo, listen for English announcements. But if you are unsure, ask someone next to you. Say, does this train go to Notre Dame? People in big cities are used to tourists, emergencies. Nobody wants to think about this, but you should be ready. If you lose your wallet, say, I lost my wallet. I need to call the police. If you feel sick, say, I do not feel well. Is there a pharmacy nearby? For serious stuff, say, I need a doctor. Can you call an ambulance? Keep it clear. In both Paris and Tokyo, the emergency number is not 911. In France, it is 112. In Japan, it is 119 for fire and ambulance and 110 for police. But if you just say, I need help, call police, people will jump in. Being polite American style. Look, we are known for being friendly and loud. That can work for you. Always start with hi or excuse me, add please, and thank you. Say, I appreciate it. If you bump into someone, say, oh, sorry about that. If someone helps you, say, you are a lifesaver, thanks. That kind of slang makes you sound warm. It is how we talk in the United States, and people respond to it. Small talk helps too. If your taxi driver in Tokyo speaks English, say, this city is amazing. Or in Paris, say, the buildings here are beautiful. People love when you notice their home. It breaks the ice. Now let us talk mindset. A lot of students on Brighton English BD tell me they are scared of making mistakes. Listen, Americans mess up English all the time. We use like and in every sentence. The goal is not perfect grammar. The goal is to connect. If you say, I want go Eiffel Tower, people will still get it. But if you practice these phrases, you will feel way more confident. And confidence is everything. Here's a quick rundown of the vibe you want. Be direct but friendly. Be clear but not robotic. Use short sentences. Ask for help when you need it. Say thanks a lot. That is American English in a nutshell. For Paris, remember that folks might seem a bit formal at first. Start with a bonjour in the morning, but switch to English after that and use these phrases. They will see you are trying, and most will meet you halfway. For Tokyo, remember that people are super polite. Match that energy. Speak softer and add thank you so much at the end. If you mess up, just laugh and say, my bad. That kind of casual apology is very American, and it works. Before your trip, practice out loud. Say the phrases in the shower or in the car. Call a friend and role play. Hey, I am checking in. That muscle memory will save you when you are jet lagged. Also, download a translation app, but do not rely on it. Use it as backup. The real magic happens when you talk to people face to face. That is how you make memories. That is how you get the good stories to tell back home. So to wrap this up for everyone watching Brighton English BD from the United States to you, you do not need a million words to travel. You need the right words. You need the ones that get you a coffee, get you to your hotel, and help you make a new friend. English is your passport to both Paris and Tokyo. Speak it with a smile, speak it with American warmth, and you will do great. Paris and Tokyo are waiting. Go eat the food, see the sights, get a little lost. And when you do, just pull out one of these phrases. You got this. We're rooting for you all the way from the States. Safe travels, and do not forget to practice. Catch you in the next video.